So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to convert currency in your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your PayPal account on your computer and log into your account, and after that you guys will need to get on the top right corner and now select your name. After that select account settings. Now guys, scroll down on your left and you guys can see this option called money, banks and cards. Now select on this option and now scroll down on your right and now you guys can see a category called currency management. Under this category you guys can see the currencies you have added it to your account, and now you need to just select these three dots right here and now select on convert currency. So as you can see guys, I have not sufficient funds to transfer from one currency to another. If you have, then you guys will get to see here and you guys can select how much you want to convert from one currency to the another, and after that you guys just need to select on done, and then your currency will be converted from one particular currency to the another. So that's how you guys can be able to convert your currency in your PayPal account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.